Want to shrink stubborn belly fat without extreme dieting or endless crunches? Apple cider vinegar might be the simple daily ritual you've been missing. And today, I'll show you exactly how it works, how to use it safely, and what results you can realistically expect. Welcome back to Stomach Fit, your go-to channel for reducing bloating, improving gut health, and achieving natural weight loss. If you've been struggling with belly fat or digestive issues, you're in the right place. Apple cider vinegar, or ACV, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy. But does it really burn belly fat, or is it just hype? Stay tuned because in this video, we'll break down the science behind ACV, the best way to take it for fat loss, and key mistakes to avoid. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly gut health and weight loss tips. You might be wondering, how can apple cider vinegar help to burn belly fat and lose weight? Well, here is the simple truth. ACV contains acetic acid, which research shows can reduce fat storage, increase metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and control appetite. A 12-week study found that people who took 1 to 2 tablespoons of ACV daily lost more body weight and belly fat than those who didn't. ACV may also lower blood sugar spikes after meals, preventing fat buildup in the abdominal area. So, if your belly fat just won't budge, ACV could be the missing piece, but only if you use it correctly. How to use apple cider vinegar for fat loss and get the right results. If you hope to get the maximum results from using ACV to lose belly fat, you want to follow a simple daily plan. I have made it easier for you by providing just the right information. Stay tuned. When to take apple cider vinegar. Best taken before meals or in the morning. How much ACV should you take? Start with 1 teaspoon in a large glass of water, then gradually increase to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. What is the best format to take apple cider vinegar for weight loss? Always diluted in water. Drinking it straight can damage your teeth and throat. Optional, add a squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey for taste and extra benefits. Quick reminder, if you're finding this helpful, give this video a thumbs up. It helps more people discover natural gut health solutions. Other health benefits of apple cider vinegar beyond fat loss. Consuming just the right amount of ACV can benefit the body in numerous ways, and it's not just for burning fat. Here are some of the best ways AVC can help your body. Improves digestion by increasing stomach acid, which aids in breaking down food. Reduces bloating by supporting gut bacteria balance. Supports heart health by lowering cholesterol and blood pressure. Boosts satiety so you feel fuller and eat fewer calories naturally. Have you ever tried apple cider vinegar before? Comment below and let me know your experience. Did it help with digestion or weight loss? Now let's talk safety. What are some common mistakes to avoid with apple cider vinegar for belly fat and weight loss? Here are some mistakes you want to avoid. Drinking ACV undiluted. This damages the enamel and throat. Taking too much apple cider vinegar can cause nausea, low potassium, or digestive upset. Expecting overnight results. Apple cider vinegar works best with a balanced diet and daily movement. Skipping quality. Always choose raw, unfiltered ACV for maximum benefit. So, how long does it actually take to see results? Let's break that down. Most people notice reduced bloating within a week. Visible belly fat reduction usually takes 4 to 8 weeks when combined with healthy eating and daily movement. Consistency is key. Taking ACV occasionally won't make a difference. If you're serious about reducing belly fat naturally, hit subscribe because we post weekly tips that work hand in hand with apple cider vinegar to give you faster results. Let's recap. apple cider vinegar may help reduce belly fat by improving digestion, balancing blood sugar, boosting metabolism, and keeping you fuller longer. But remember, it's not a magic potion. For the best results, combine ACV with healthy meals, daily movement, and plenty of water. If you're ready to start your gut health and fat loss journey, begin with 1 teaspoon of ACV in water each morning and build up gradually. Stick with it for a few weeks, and you may be surprised by the difference you see and feel. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and share it with a friend who's trying to lose belly fat. And don't forget to subscribe to Stomach Fit for more simple, science-backed tips on reducing bloating, improving digestion, and achieving a healthier, leaner body.